Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms for surveys. Google Forms is an amazing free tool for conducting customer feedback, research surveys, employee feedback, and market studies. It helps you collect structured data easily and analyze it in Google Sheets. Now let's learn how to use Google Forms for surveys step by step. The first step is to open Google's form, and to do that, just go to forms.google.com or go to workspace.google.com/product/forms and make sure you log in using your account's credentials. Once you logged in, you're going to be directed to your Google Forms account's dashboard. From here, click on blank form or select a survey template. Look for a survey template from here. If you found a survey template here, or you can create a blank form and start from scratch. Now let's do that. The second step is to add the survey title and description. For example, customer satisfaction survey. I'm just gonna click on the untitled form section and I'm gonna write customer satisfaction survey. Now in the description, explain the purpose of the survey and estimated time to complete it. You can do this in the form description area. The third step is to choose the right questions. You can add questions by clicking on the plus button right here, and you can choose the type of questions by clicking on the dot right here, and you can choose multiple choices for selecting one option, checkboxes for selecting multiple answers, drop down to choose from a list, and linear scale to choose 1 to 5 or 1 to 10 ratings. You can also choose paragraphs or text fields for detailed feedback. As for the fourth step, make important question required. Now, click on each question, for example this one, and enable required to ensure users fill them out by toggling this right here. And like you see here, it's toggled on. Fifth step is to enable data collection and privacy settings by going to settings, responses, then click on three dots right here and turn on get email notification and collect email notification addresses, and turn off limit to one person if you want multiple responses. The sixth step is to customize the survey's look, and you can do that by clicking on the color palette, and you can customize the color change the color, the fonts, and add a company logo. The seventh step is to share your survey, and you can share it by clicking on publish first, then click on publish, then click on the share icon in the top right corner, and then make sure you change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link, and after that copy the responders link, and as you can see the link is copied in the clipboard. The eighth step is to analyze the survey's responses, and to do that just click on the responses section right here. Here you're going to be able to see all the responses from the participants who participated in the survey. You can also link to sheets to export and analyze the data. And that's it for today's tutorial. Your survey is live and ready to collect responses. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.